These are the 10 things you should do on a Friday. Take a shower, as it is a sunnah for this day. Trim your nails, as whoever trims his nails on a Friday remains safe from calamities for the next 10 days. Apply hair oil. Apply perfume, for it is a blessed sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ to wear perfume on Friday. Wear Imama, that is turban, for certainly Almighty Allah and His angels send blessings on those who wear Imama on Friday. Put on clean white clothes, as it is stated in a Blessed Hadith that wear white clothes, for they are the purest and the cleanest. Offer dua, because there is a special moment on Friday in which dua is accepted. Recite Sura-e-Yaseen Sharif and Durood-e-Pak. Leave for Friday Salah early, as it is Mustahabb, desirable. Pay a visit to the graves of both parents or one of them. Visit the sick, as it is immensely reward giving. May Almighty Allah grant us the blessings of this sacred day. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen. Sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.